Welcome back. Alright. Now, we gotta restrain him. Move. Stop that. Stop. I think that's everybody. Alright, that's that. Okay. Now we have to get the rest of them. Okay, don't try to stealth this, of course. Why would I not try to stealth this? Stop that. No. Then I'm gonna have to take them inside. Because I'm not about to just have some civilian walk by. See these guys. Let's go inside the building. Yes, inside, okay? You heard me. This way. Follow. Good. Alright. Hostage. Restrained. But they have no idea what's happening behind them. They're just sitting there. Now that I think that's everybody, which I think it is. Okay, just stole a ton of loot. Take all the money, and let's start drilling, since everyone can hear it. Yep, we're good. Did it right. Oh, I didn't restrain them. Make sure everyone's got their hands behind their back. Okay. So, just have to wait a bit. To make it more fun, I guess I'll just go out and do something. Yeah, I'm just gonna go around and see how many civilians I can find. Down, down. Okay, what? Damn it. Oh, it jammed. Shit. I did not mean to use that. Luckily, the security guards drop ammo, so, where is it? Okay. And waiting and waiting. So yeah. Just call the cops, please. We already got a good head start. Actually, you know what? Never mind. I want to deal with the cop because it's more fun. No. Since you have some nerve to just try and do something like that. No. Okay, you see, now I'm gonna restrain you. No. Okay, no, get back down. Just
Please.
reliable gun in the game. I think it's called M144 or something like that. Buddy, get out. Oh, we're already in. Bro, y'all came too late, bro. It's already over. I'm good. We'll just start our next heist. We'll be back here at another time. See ya, bro. And just like that, it's over. 1 second. Stop yawning, bro. Let's go to menu, and yeah, we'll see from here. See, the mask is what gives me all my weapons, plus the mask is, you know, how people cover their face. Yay, my identity's not, no. Luckily, there's no pages on these guys, so yeah, we're fine. We're chilling. Ooh, nice. Yeah, no thank you. I mean, I'll take it, but not right now. That works too. And we'll take it. Ugh. Wish I had my wire cutters. Whew. Now that we got wire cutters, this is so much wow. No, you're not going anywhere. Nah, I'm gonna kill you if I must. Oh. happened. So now stop. Stop. I said no. No. Alright, bro, let's go. The sooner you do this, the sooner I can get back to my job. Get over here. Gold bars. Okay, so you get more money for doing that. Got it. Ugh. Alright, so this is the third thing I need to get to the loot. The loot too. What? No. Sir, stop. Stop it. You don't understand what you're dealing with here. You need to stop. Ugh. Oh my, there's so much. No, stop, stop, stop. Sir, if you don't stop, I'm gonna shoot. Well, they were gonna call the cops, alright. I said I was gonna shoot, I wasn't kidding. No, no gunshots. No. I love my job. Alright, well now that everything's swooped in, time to get this. And yeah. Plus, this 2 extra bags will pay off for this 20,000 that I just lost. What the? No, that's a pager. That's a fucking pager. I'm picking up the pager, for frick's sake. Why? If you don't stop, I will shoot. Sir, I'm gonna have to shoot. Luckily, it wasn't a civilian. Whew. I'm not gonna shoot that. As much as I want to, I'm not gonna shoot him. So I need. Doing good. Okay, I'm still here. Room is making me sneeze. It must sneeze this much. Alright, well, thank you for watching. I'm surprised you watched until the very end, and yeah.